I filmed these units back in summer 2022, and I'm filming them again. This is AmStan Silver from 2017, now it's running. And here's these two AmStan Heritages. The American Standard Allegiance actually got, I think it was actually a Heritage. I just accidentally said Allegiance. But yeah, you got a new AmStan Silver right here. 2022. And over there is the 2007 Rancher and that LG mini split. Just 2007 AmStan was malfunctioning last time. And here's this LG. So yeah, we're still just revisited. Plus a new 2022 Master Silver.